Hey everybody, Charlie Hauck, President, Lead Trainer, Founder at Growth Dynamics, here for another Fast Tip Friday. I'm going to re-emphasize here at the end of the year some of the things that are the basic, most core concepts for us here at Growth Dynamics that we like to share with our clients. Hopefully if you're listening to this, you've been in a room with us or on a Zoom meeting as one of our training clients. But I want to remind you that success is like a recipe for anything you want to make in the kitchen. There are certain components, certain ingredients that you've got to be aware of and you've got to have the right amount of if you want to get the right outcome when you take something out of the oven or off the grill. So I want to remind everybody that you've got to know the parts of the product that you're trying to create. And for this instance, what I want you to create is a more dynamic and more reliable, successful performance in your business development efforts. So you've got to know what those ingredients are and you've got to know how much of each that you've got to come up with. Now, where do you get that recipe for success? Well, hopefully you've been tracking your numbers. You've been recording how many attempts you are making to prospect a new opportunity. How many times a week you're saying to someone, hey, would you mind if I got on your calendar and had a business conversation with you about whatever you're offering or whatever your service is? If you don't manage that first key ingredient, chances are you're not going to see the result that you're looking for. Your cake is going to be flat, your potatoes are going to be lumpy, your desserts are going to be lousy, and you're going to be upset with the result that you're forced to ingest and digest, and it's not going to be very rewarding or very appetizing. So as you move forward, take some time over the last few weeks of the year and start tracking your performance to make sure that your recipe has the right amount of each ingredient. How much prospecting? How many first business conversations? How many discovery meetings do you have to have? And how many yes-no decisions do you have in your calendar on a weekly basis? And if you're not tracking how many yes-no conversations you're having, I'll tell you, you're probably not in control of the sales process that you're you're counting on to deliver the financial and personal rewards that you want to get out of your career. So don't guess. I love freelancing in the kitchen, but I ain't going to freelance with my business and financial success. Stick to the recipe, guarantee the best outcome, and enjoy the success that you and you alone can create for yourself. Know the recipe, stick to the recipe. You can add a few personal spices, but get the main ingredients in there and don't mess it up because you're too lazy. Thanks again for listening and watching. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the success that you've created in the last week and get ready to create some more before you get out of here and into 2025. Take care.